Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at resetting and bypassing LG G6. To hard reset, press volume down and power button. Press them like that same time. When you see the logo, release the power button and press it again, and use volume down to select, and power button, which is behind, to select. So this is done with the hard resetting process. It says Android starting. Now the phone must be done flashing. It's just rebooting. Hold on a second. Alright, now let's press start, and then we skip SIM. It needs us to connect to Wi-Fi. Let's switch on Wi-Fi there and select our Wi-Fi. It is connected, and press next. Set up as a new device. This may take a minute or two. Checking for info. That's where the Google account is looking, and then now it will ask you to enter a previous account which you have forgotten, of course. Now let's go back. To bypass this process, we need to change our language. So we need a country that is restricted by Google. Countries like Russia. I choose this one. I don't know which country is that one. You press on the and tap on the next 3 times, and then just press anyway. Then you press on the left arrow, and then you accept there, and then press anywhere on the screen, and then select all the terms and conditions. But Google account does not have authority in this country, so they won't ask us for previous Google account. So now we are inside. Let's select the home function, and then we go to settings. Go back and press settings again, and then on your left at the end, and then press the first green selection, and then press the first one again, and then select on that language and look for English. Select English. Now we are back. Select your country, press home button to exit, and then let's go to settings and reset the phone once more time. This is the final step to make sure the phone is fully bypassed and the Google account is completely removed. And it's on general, and then backup and reset. Okay, factory reset, reset phone, delete all, reset. This may take a while, some time. Just be patient. Okay, the Android is starting again. Now you have to press next and skip. Next. To be asking, press for next. Next. No thanks, and next. Skip anyway. Agree to terms and conditions for legal document, and press done. Voila. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.